The race car applies engineering concepts like gravitational potential energy, which means the energy that an object possesses due to position change in the presence of gravitational field. And secondly, being kinetic energy, that means the energy possessed of a moving object. Besides that, we have the conservation of energy that stipulates an energy type changes to another energy type in a same amount, and the sum of energy is constant. And the fourth concept being friction, that shows that a frictional force occurs when object is contacting the surface and the direction is opposite in regards to the forward force.
Besides, the rotation inertia also involved, which means the measurement of resistance of a rotating object to resist any state change with formula I equals to mr squared. Based in those engineering concepts, we are able to decide the car specification, which includes mass. Larger car mass is required for greater gravitational potential energy. Besides, the lower well mass and radius, the lower rotational inertia.
So the shape of the car had to be an aerodynamical shape to reduce aerodynamic drag. Besides, the mass of the car have to be concentrated at the back to reduce loss of energy and increase gravitational potential energy. The center of gravity have to be low to increase stability.
So several materials are used to produce the car, which are ice cream sticks, rubber band, and mineral water bottle. These materials are made from wood, rubber, and plastic respectively. Excessive use of this product can cause environmental harm such as deforestation and plastic pollution. Thus, it is important for us to repurpose them and make them into another new product that is useful to us.
So this is our first prototype. This car cannot cross the finish line because the bearing used as wheels are too heavy and also the friction inside the bearing remains too high. This is our second prototype. It cannot always cross the finish line consistently. The axle tend to rotate unpredictably and causing the car to deviate from its intense straight line path. So it often crashes into the side walls and of the track and losing energy.
So the third prototype can cross the finish line with relatively stable performance. The bearings are used again as the wheels, but this time they are smaller, lighter, and lubricated.
So our final product can cross the finish line with fast and stable performance. The plastic bottle filled with water is replaced by weights for a lower center of gravity. The body of the car is elongated and the mass of the car is concentrated at the back to increase gravitational potential energy.